Moramai, Brian.
Moramai.
Could you tell us a little bit about where Manx Gaelic actually came from?
Well, like Scottish Gaelic, it came from Old Irish. Old Irish is the technical term for the language spoken by the Irish, essentially. And they think that language spread into Scotland and the Isle of Man round about the time Christianity arrived in these areas. Yeah. So it probably came originally 300, 400 AD into the Isle of Man. And then this would have remained as a uniform language here, certainly until the Vikings arrived. Possibly the Vikings had a big effect on the language here. And they, after a couple of generations, were speaking Gaelic. And Manx developed as a separate form. We don't know when, really. Possibly after 1200 AD, 1300 AD. But certainly by the time it was first written down, as far as we know, it was quite a lot different from Scottish Gaelic and Irish. That's how it came about. It came from Old Irish.
Yeah. And what about Ogham? We often hear about the word Ogham used. What sort of language or script was that?
Well, that was a language used for writing Irish, particularly Old Irish. And it had its heyday around about 500 and 600 AD. And there have been inscriptions in Ogham found in the Isle of Man. The latest one in Mount Murray just a couple of years ago. Yeah. So it's just really a written form of Irish.
Good mind, wouldn't you?
Share the bay.
Well, Moramai, wouldn't you? Not just inched out bit beg McCann, Crevel, Shank and Gilk.
Well, Hank and Gilk Vananach was Chinya to Gre, Shan Yerenishlish. Shanna Chinya, the Shan Yereni. As they Marn was Ella Rudniach Godish, Simus Dechier Le Christ, Gus Rud Godish, Tausen Blaine Le Christ. As Henke Gus Mannen, Tre Henk Bunaseg Tre Kidden, Tsmunicht and Henk and Christiach Jack and Shaw. As they Henk and Shan Yerenish, they searched the Hinya Elia for the Kinderkrish, Nalochlani, when Chit the Hummel and Smannen. As to Schlein nach Grey Rau and Gilg Maru and Shaw, Unseling Shen, Teshin Chicken nach Rau, Senken Gilg Mach as Shan Yerenish, as Teshin Chicken McCann Shen, Genau as Renegol, Nasudja, Sul was Yerenish, as was Gilg Albanach, Henk Gilg Albanach was Shan Yerenish Nies, as Henke the Bay Chinya Elie, Chinya Vananach, and Elfdesign Kwon, for the onze Belein Tausen is Dechied, Tausen is Trichied, Le Christ for the Achanelfdesign the Jir.
As Kremikian Ogham, Kenneth Vishen.
Well, Harau Shen, the screw shees, Shan Yerenish, as they the Luajer again, ons Ling, for the Queg Kied Le Christ, the Shaky Blaine Le Christ. As Eric Gerard the Stu Fellan at ons man and Cronk Murray, Scoot Marchen, ons Ogham.
Yeah. Good am I more, wouldn't you?